Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Yes, this call is very important. It's been on the news since yesterday that my governor, my brother, my friend, the governor of Gbas was a victim of his son yesterday. You see, this road that is bad, we can all do something about it. Yes, I know that the federal government is not responsible. Of course, the federal government doesn't care. We didn't vote for the federal government. We voted for you as our own governor, right? So you can get businessmen, who can do what they call private partnership with you. If you want to toll the Benin Supply Road to Bayelsa, you can put a toll gate there. Collect your money back from the citizens so that people can be able to go to the market and sell their product. So that the drivers are spending so much money to repair their cars so they can have some relief. I mean, what would the state do for us? What would the government do for us if they can't repair our road? Yesterday, you taste a little bit of your peel yesterday, all right? Now, let's leave the governor alone and let's talk about Labour Party people who are representing us in the entire country. I had a private conversation with my national chairman, Barrister Julius Abure, to talk to, a principal, Peter Obi, to talk to these guys that we elected with our sweat and blood. Because the video out there is very disturbing. What all of them say, hi, they concluded to the 70 billion and 40 billion, total 110 palliative. How dare would you do that? I'm calling you out, Neda M⁹Untäin, my brother, who is a senator representing us. Don't forget, I sacrificed for you. I paid for you. All right? Now that you are there, ensure that you don't take any money of this palliative. 8,000 naira is an insult to your citizens. That's what? Wasn't what you promised us. You told us you were going there to represent us. Please, Neda, you are the leader now of the South Victoria district in Edo State. Take that matter of leadership. Stop refusing to take your calls and returning back text messages, Neda. I'm calling you out, Neda. My name is Ultimate Equal. I don't need your money. I don't need your money. I'm content. Content is money. Neda, M⁹Untäin, stop refusing my calls. Let me tell you what to do in House Assembly. And don't sell us out to a peanut. Do not go and join the Alibaba and the 40 teams. Do what is right. Talk to your boy, Murphy or Mori Osaro from Ego constituency. That one who said is from America, doesn't even know where it's coming from. Doesn't want Osaro, Murphy or Mori, representing Ego constituency. People die for your election. Behave yourself, oh. Behave yourself and take calls from leaders. Let us guide you on what to do, Osaro. The only one that is a little bit better among you now is Engineer Iyawe, representing Oredo constituency. I hope you do the better things as you are doing now for your people, okay? And now let's go to the Asian land. The Asian people now, yes, you want to do a governor now. You want to do a governor because you feel that it's your turn, because you feel that, there has to be equity and justice. But look at what happened to all the previous people who is representing us in Senate, House of Rep from Asian land. You should be ashamed of yourself and call the federal government to order to fix the Asian people land. The Asian people deserve better. Oh my God. May the soul of Ambrose Folanshaw and live rest in peace. Ha! That was the last time we saw a true representative. What are people amassing money for? What are people amassing work for? I know my brother Adam Oshomole will do a little better in that area because he did well for his people. He even tied the road to the bushes. Huh? Adam Oshomole, you are there now with Senator. You claimed you were NSC leader. There's no road in Noto. Make sure that you hold the government responsible. If we have to do a toll gate, let us do a toll gate and collect the money back. We are tired. We are tired of not being able to drive our car. We are tired of not being able to go to school. We are tired of not being able to sell our products that we got from the farm. What is happening? Finally, any of you from Edo State, do not accept the palliative. Do not accept the palliative. Because we know what happened during COVID-19. How governors, shameless people, all the food, the palliatives in warehouse, some of them got destroyed. Some of them, got useless because of your selfishness. What shall it profit the Son of Man to inherit the whole world and lose his soul? God bless you, my fellow citizens.
Even small motor no dey fit pass, and if you pass the place your bumper must pull. See all this place now, see how all here be na chairman. Abeg, if dem fit come do small palliative so that our children go fit write exam finish. See the place, e don too bad. You see this place now, if small motor pass and the bumper dey pull, this place so where dem do the casting reach after Owerri junction by the sawmill. And if you still go front, the hole wey dey for front, the hole too much, chairman. Make una beg, if no we beg dem, make dem come still do small palliative for the both side. You no dey even let person pass again. Go Sabbath, this road don't too bad though. They don't too bad, I beg, they don't too bad. You don't too bad. You don't too bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.